Look how cute this penguin cup turned out. I started off with a 20-ounce glow tumbler from the Stainless Depot because that's what I had on hand. I sprayed it with a light coat of a soft blue color and then went over that with a coat of glitter glue once that dried. Then I'm going to go in with two colors from PDB Creative Studio. I went in with Pearl first, and then I know my hand's in the way, but I went in with Eternal second, and I kind of blended those two together. It took me a hot minute because I am not good at the ombre, but kind of love how it turned out when I got it all done. Once the glitter was down, I sealed that with an acrylic sealer. I gave it a nice thick coat. After the sealer dried, I added a coat of Liquid Art Elite resin from KS Resin. Tried to thin that out. I did get that on there pretty thick. I let it dry, and then I grabbed a super cute penguin vinyl and decal from Gracefully Created. I lined up the vinyl, hinged it, and smoothed it in, and then once I got that on there, I added the decal on the other side. It took me a minute to get it centered, but I kind of love how it turned out. After I got that decal down there, I added another coat of resin, and then I decided I wanted a decal at the bottom and put another coat of resin on it, and then this is how it looks at the very end. I love it so much, and I hope you do too.